first, baby. I need to eat more rice. It'll take some time. Gonna take some time. Better bide my time. See the turning tide. I need to bide my time until I'm home again. Feel this good, feel my soul set. I'm up, feel that love again. We show it, reap our soul in that.
The pre-match talk centres on Ronaldo. 3 goals in his last 3 games. Will he be hard to stop again? Stay with us on EA TV. Well, it's a beautiful day for football. No complaints whatsoever on that front here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for analysis by Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Manchester United up against Aston Villa.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
He read the situation defensively and did his job. And here's the lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea begins in goal. Rafael Varane plays with Victor Lindelof in central defence. Casemiro plays alongside Fred.
Oh, Derek, can he finish it here?
Oh, a vital piece of last-ditch defending. Bailey! And a goal! To open the scoring, a very bright start to this one. So back in action, and it's up to United now to be inventive. Marcos Acuna. Here's Ronaldo. He's in behind. Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long, and this match is level again. So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Lucadinha. And here is Mings. Emiliano Buendia. Correa. Oh, that's a well-timed pass. Just can't get it past him. Fernandes. Sancho. Onto Ronaldo. Tremendous block. Well, let's join Alex Scott now, because I believe changing circumstances in the Leicester game, Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Arsenal. They're the first on the score sheet here with 13 minutes played. Entertaining stuff so far here, Derek.
Alex, thank you very much. Fred. Can't miss, surely. And saved by the keeper. Now, how about the short corner? And with that, the attack fizzles out. Lindelof. Casemiro. Getting in there to intercept. Augustin has it. Good movement. McGinn. And now Bailey. Oh, far from the ideal pass, you've got to say. Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. Manchester United unable to hold on to the ball. Now, who can he play it to? Sancho. Ronaldo. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Lovely pass from Correa. Bailey. Bailey! Oh, that was begging to be put home, but the goalkeeper has it. Fernandes. The ball with Otavio. Given away by Manchester United. Augustin. What can they do from here? Cuts in from the flank. And the flag raised. Offside it is. Cuadrado. Fred. Now Cuadrado. Bruno Fernandes. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Offside, close one. Jadon Sancho. Marcos Acuna. Now with Fred. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Could be a chance to break here. Correa. Wonderful chance. And somehow kept out by De Gea. He's driven in the corner. It comes to nothing in the end. Augustin has it. McGinn. And now Correa. Could be. Oh, a great chance it was. Goalkeeper has it. Fred. And so the first half story has been written. Half-time here at Old Trafford. And now they get the ball rolling. So back underway here into the second half. Tyrone Mings. John McGinn. Now Busquets. He's in with a chance. Will it happen for them? He got in the way of that cross. Buendia. And a goal! It's a finish of real class. No shortage of acrobatics on display here. He's judged it to perfection. Incredible header. So back in business. Can Manchester United bounce back? Fernandes. Sancho. On to Casemiro. Being egged on by the crowd. Body in the way. And I'm hearing a goal has gone in the Leicester City game. Alex Scott has the details.
It's a goal for Leicester City. It's all even Stevens at 1-1 with 53 minutes played.
Alex keeping us right up to date.
Well, as you can see, Villa are struggling to control possession, but what they've done with it has been really good, and they'll be happy with the way the game is being played at the moment. They love to play on the counter-attack.
Well, Bayern have been very active in the transfer market, and they've made a big move personnel-wise. Stuart, good news for their supporters.
Well, certainly a lot of focus on the boy over the last year or two, and he seems to have a bright future ahead of him. Hopefully it turns out to be a good move and he can continue to develop his career.
And the pass was just that little bit off. Nearly found its target. Here's a change for Manchester United. Augustin has it. Lucatinia. And teammates to play it to. McGinn. And now Correa. Well, there's been a change to the scoreline, I'm hearing, at the King Power Stadium. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Arsenal. After After a well-worked move, he got himself on the end of a cross with a beautiful header. They've pulled one back with 65 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. An inability to keep hold of the ball there. 20 minutes remaining. The switch of play now. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV. And a quick reminder, we have live action from the Carabao Cup coming your way. It's Manchester United taking on Rotherham United.
Well, that's a game to look forward to. Plenty to play for in that one. It should be a really entertaining game.
Marcos Acuna. Sancho! And a goal here! Just what Manchester United required. They are level. So underway again, and it's a story of parity. 2 goals apiece in this one. Options in the centre. McGinn. Can they forge ahead? They do! And you've got to say they're good value for the lead.
Well, just look at this. He keeps his composure and he almost passes it into the back of the net. That's a very good goal.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Augustin has it. Now Correa. Well, not the greatest pass. Easily intercepted. There might very well be late excitement. 5 minutes left. And the margin just 1. Clean challenge. Manchester United battling the clock and the scoreline. And clears his lines. McGinn. Well, he's given us away. And the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Fernandes. And there goes the whistle for full time. The Villa fans will leave the stadium happy on the back of this victory. Underway at Old Trafford.
Bricks in the wall, wondering will Britain fall. Close down the youth club, close down the snooker hole. Computer speaks through me phone via Google. Death to a soul, through the pharmaceutical. All we got is tonight now to better our goals. Now all we got is tonight now to come together and rule. Bricks built up tall, don't learn nothing at the school. Let's duck and crawl from authority at fault. Computer peaks at our conversational. Political, but no policies at all. For the class who do working to help us push and pull. Isn't it hypocritical? Tired and hurting, with nowhere hospitable for the working individual. All we got is tonight now to better our goals. Now all we got is tonight now to come together and cope. I could have loved her with no cool. I miss the night for when life was wall to wall. No love to find, insight through you digital. I've had a night full of our life ridiculed. Let's take it back by force. I watch Babylon Marathon. All we got is an eye now. But our goals. Now we got is an eye now. To come together. All we got is an eye now. To bet our goals. Now we got is an eye now. To come together.
Sometimes the silence says enough. I'm a statue like Apollo, still waiting for tomorrow. Find a way to fight the horror and the way beyond. A billion Jean is not my mother. There'll never be another. Well, I never, but I should. Goodbye, baby. I just came to say nothing at all. Hey, I just came to say I'm a statue like Apollo, still waiting for tomorrow.
The man of the moment, in terrific form and top scorer in the competition. Stay with us on EA TV as he tries for more. Hello to you, wherever you happen to be. Our action comes to you today from Villa Park. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And live action coming up from the Carabao Cup. It's Aston Villa, and they take on Reading.
Thanks, Derek. Well, the hosts are clear favourites going into this tie. But with that comes pressure, particularly against a team that will remain compact, are well-drilled defensively, and are a threat on the counter-attack. If the hosts don't go through, though, it will be a major upset.
know they need to stop him. Digne. Well, that is how to nullify the opposition. And they could it be? And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open.
Well, as you can see, the weight of the through ball is key to this goal. And then the perfect finish from Correa. He really does hit this with power. That's an excellent goal.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Sergio Busquets. Trying his luck from long range. Oh, really hit with venom and off the woodwork.
Well, that's a great shot. He just hit it with such power. I'm not sure the keeper would have got that, you know.
Sarr. Hutchinson has it. Mamadou Loum. Guinness Walker. And in the perfect position to read it. McGinn. Now, do they mean business on this occasion? The verdict is offside here. And that pass could be troublesome. And fine goalkeeping. And there's the delivery. Well, a bit short with the clearance. Well, let's see about the cross. Well, far from the ideal header. And the goalkeeper had it all the way. In the right place to cut out the pass. Look at Digne. Yakumete. Hendrick. Oh, could be. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. Aston Villa will get the throw in. And he takes it on. Well, closed down straight away.
Well, Aston Villa have had all the ball in the last 15 minutes, creating lots of chances now, and you think if they do get another, it's going to be tough for the opposition to find a way back into this.
There to win it back. Correa. Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping. So the corner played into the box. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. Yadom. And it's with Hendrick. And intercepting it. Chance to do damage. And possibilities inside the box. Digne. McGinn. Really vital interception here. Digne. The delivery. Well, still an issue here. Bailey. Takes the shot. Well, trying to place it, but without any great success.
Well, maybe went for the wrong technique. If he'd have hit it with power, may have got a better result. That's a poor effort, really.
And the first half is in the history books now, here at Villa Park. And the game begins. So back underway here into the second half. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Sergio Busquets. McGinn. Difficult to stop him. Correa. A good and fair challenge. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Aston Villa facing West Ham United. Will he play it in? Surely the equaliser. And saved by the keeper. And played short. Sarr. A gift for any goalkeeper. Digne. Bad pass. Carroll. Yadom. Loom now. And intercepted it. Look at Digne. Now, do they mean business on this occasion? Well, no luck keeping possession. Mamadou Loum. Now Correa. Augustin. Can he find the right pass? Well, disappointing end to the move. Well, the supporters think it's on. Correa, he's lost the ball. Sergio Busquets. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Well, we have 20 minutes left in this game. McGinn. Very quick thinking there. Carroll. Well, they've lost possession of the ball. Carroll. Must be. Well, in the end, it was rather straightforward for the goalkeeper, Stuart.
Well, he has to do better there. That's a really poor finish.
Augustin has it. Here is Digne. Or is it going to end up being productive for them? Big chance. Oh, that might have sealed it for them.
Well, he has to make the keeper work there. That's a bad miss.
Substitution then. Let's see.
show them heroes, feel it. We are the younger, the hunger. Me show the heroes, feel it. Alright, one more time. Me show them heroes, feel it. We are the younger and the hunger. Me show them heroes, feel it. We are the younger and the hunger.
Holy water, crying at the altar, in at your desire, freedom from the Maya, fire, burning at the altar.
Hello everyone and welcome. Our footballing travels have taken us to the Midlands. We're at Villa Park. I'm Derek Ray, ready to bring you match commentary, and alongside me is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the... And a look at the West Ham 11. Alphonse Areola begins in goal. Thilo Kehrer plays with Gaia in the fullback positions. Jared Bowen plays with Juanmi on the flanks. And the striker today is Mikel Antonio. Well, slightly off target, and that'll be a throw-in. And space here on the flank. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic. And that is that, the final whistle here, and maximum points picked up by Aston Villa. What did you make of it?
Yes, Derek.
And now they get the ball rolling.